my way or the highway. I had a minor accident. Don't come for your girl. Hey guys, so today is my freshers and I'm getting ready for it. I was waiting for this freshers for like so long because it was postponed due to COVID and many other disturbances. So it's like finally happening. First of all, I'm moisturizing my face here. Now I'm gonna apply my lenses. So I was really uncertain about attending at freshers as I had a minor accident and hurt my ankle. I hadn't been able to walk properly for 2 months, I guess, and I was uncertain that I would be able to walk properly today, but this past week was really awesome and I started walking real nice. Due to my ankle injury, I will not be able to wear any heels and sort of things like that. I'm looking like I'm crying, but it's just the lens. I hope you guys can't hear the bell ringing because that's my grandma doing puja at 10 o'clock in the morning. 10:30. So now I'm just gonna apply light foundation. I'm just gonna use a pump, and because I freaking lost my beauty blender, I'm stealing Tracy's beauty blender and using it for now. I seriously haven't even decided my look. I'm just gonna go with the flow. I kinda wanna look simple but still glamorous. Does that make sense? I believe in that saying like less is more. So that is what I'm trying to do today. I usually get my eyebrows done like 2-3 days before any kind of event because I usually get breakouts after I do my eyebrows, but yeah, I forgot and I just did it yesterday and kind of have some breakouts over here. I have really sensitive skin, so I'm just praying that this foundation will be able to cover it up somehow. I'm no makeup artist, so don't come for your girl. So due to my ankle injury, I won't be able to wear heels, so I couldn't wear dresses that I usually wore in parties, so I needed something that I would be able to match with my sneakers. So I had to go to shopping like a week ago. So I went to Basemark with my sister, and I'll insert short vlog footage here. So here we are at Basemark, and as you guys can see in the video, everything was so cute that I wanted to get everything. I searched through some more shops and also found these adorable tote bags. So I got new pair of white shoes just for that outfit. This is my most favorite part of doing makeup, which is Kajal, or you can call it eye pencil. I feel like it makes such a difference in my look. Usually when I just go out, I just wear like Kajal and lip cream and I'm like good to go. Can I moisturize my lips? Yeah, this is Vaseline Petroleum Jelly. And I've been using this for God knows how long. And trust me, it works like magic. When I tell you there's nothing like this. And yesterday I got my nails done by my nail artist Tracy Shrestha. I literally had like this straight nails, square shape, but I broke my nails, so I had to file it and make it an almond shaped. Yup, Tracy did this for free. So when I and Tracy were doing my nail yesterday, we're like looking at this TikTok and laughing as it was so similar to our actual situation. And I was like really happy and laughing, and she was like, broke people should never laugh. So usually I just fill in my brows with a brow pencil. I don't go too hard on it. I naturally have quite average amounts of brows, so I don't usually do this, but today I'm aiming to click a lot of pictures, so yeah. So I saw this TikTok where a girl was like curling her lashes, and she told like you need to like open your eyes while curling your lashes, so you'll be able to like curl till your roots, and that would like make a huge difference. So I haven't tried it out yet. I'm gonna try it out. Let's see if that actually is true. When I was small, I used to like get really scared while curling my lashes, as I was scared to poke my eyes or pull out all my lashes. As adults used to like tell me that your lashes fall off when you curl them. Maybe they didn't want me to curl my lashes as I was too small. They didn't want me to poke my eyes. Did it make a difference? Hopefully. So I'm gonna apply my eyeshadow now. I'm like huge fan of Farmasi makeup brands. All of my products are almost Farmasi. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a little bit and I'm just gonna... My sister's having a hard time in the background. She's not approving the way I'm wearing my eyeshadow. My way or the highway. I've already told them, go easy on your girl. I ain't a makeup artist. I just wear however I wanna wear. So now I'm gonna contour my face. Shade is 03 Deep. Gonna contour my face. Now I'm just gonna blend it using the same blender, but I'm gonna use the base as I don't wanna get the top dirty. Like I'm doing pretty well. They usually used to. So now I'm gonna go and wear my liner. Take a lot of time, so I'm gonna do it off camera. Wow, I love my liner. I'm so proud of it. Tracy, help!
End of flashback.
I know you mean such a difference in your look. I love it. I can't. I take probably 2-3 tries. I love doing makeup and feel amazing when I do it, but I think all of you can relate. liner is too hard to master. And if you can master that, then go queen. So now for the blush, I'm just gonna use my lipstick and just gonna I learned this from So now my favorite part, which is highlighter, and I love this highlighter as it's like a liquid highlighter, and you just have to twist it over here, and it's kind of dried up as it's pretty old and I've used it so many times. Oh shit. Eyelids too. Now for my favorite part, that is lipstick. I usually love wearing nude colors, but for now I'm going for a little darker shade. Now I'm gonna wipe my lip cream off because I'm going for a matte look. So now for lipstick, I'm wearing this lipstick from Jordana from the shade Brown 17. So now I think we're going to the final part, which is wearing lashes. It's like the most difficult one. So I don't want to ruin my lashes, so I'm gonna quickly go and change and then I'll be back. So I'm getting hella late, but I've done my lashes and I wore my dress. I'm in love with it. So now I'm gonna wear this necklace. It's so pretty. I'm in love with it. And I'm gonna wear this earring to match with it. Love cute accessories. So now I'm gonna go and do my hair and I'll see you guys after that. I literally have to hurry. I'm getting really late.
How dare you? Me with my beautiful girlfriends.
After a while, the program started and we got to enjoy several performances. As we got hungry, we went ahead and ate some snacks and also had some lunch that was delicious. Me and my friends loved the momo, but unfortunately it quickly ran out.
Hi guys! Subscribe to our channel. Very supporting friend.
We had a lot of fun enjoying the program and taking a lot of pictures. The place was really beautiful. It was overall a really fun experience.
So this is the place and we have had lunch. We also watched some performances and now it's time to go. We're gonna leave pretty soon now.
मत जाओ आप मत जाओ प्लीज
Here you can see me about to doze off on the way home as I was so tired. So that is it for this video. See you guys next time. Bye.